Hey, what's up wavers? Welcome to ADJ 360 Waves. Welcome to another video. So this is the perfect day to do the clay and lay method. All I think you know the wash and style method. So in this case the clay and lay is literally 10 times better than the wash and style, because the wash and style method simply washes your hair, but the clay and lay improves the hair by removing all toxics and impurities in your hair. You can actually use the wash and style method, but if you wanna go an extra mile, I recommend you to use the clay and lay method as you see me doing it. Yes, in this case, as you see, I used the clay to remove all the dust, toxins, which so was after in clay. As you can see, this is the very normal clay everybody can get. So cheap, you can go downtown and look for it. When it's in its powder form, you can mix it with vinegar plus that dust clay so that you can make it like that. It's very cheap and so it's very rich in minerals in your head. So on your head, I kept brushing my hair. So hope you can see the waves making, they're forming. Yeah, remember I had scalped to bald. Yeah, and just I'm regrowing back my hair to normal. So I decided not to use the wash and style method. I continued I started making my new 360 wave with clay, original clay. Yes, as you can see, I'm making it. You can see clay helps you to also make your 360 wave come out better. Hope you can have to make sure that you change in all directions. Yes, you can see my wave pattern. Since I had scalped to bald, so my pattern is just regrowing back. It's just coming back. As you can see, all you need in this wave process, you have to be consistent in this process. You should not be this somebody who comes out and just do something for a while. Just do that my friends doing for me or what. You have to be consistent in this wave journey. Yeah, I hope you can see my wave. Can see that also clay makes see. That's when my clay had dried. So wash out